From the scorching sands of the Sahara to the rocky plains of the American Southwest, the arid regions of our planet teem with a diverse array of life. The Arid Animal Pack in Planet Zoo introduces a fascinating collection of creatures who call these harsh landscapes home.
The African crested porcupine, instantly recognizable with its dramatic black and white quills, is our first encounter. These fascinating creatures are primarily herbivores, relishing a diet of roots, bulbs, and fallen fruits. In Planet Zoo, replicating their natural habitat is key to their happiness. Provide them with ample space to dig and burrow, along with enrichment items like fallen logs and rocks. Remember, these porcupines are social animals, so consider housing them in small groups. Creating a thriving habitat for these prickly personalities is a rewarding experience.
Our journey takes us next to the awe-inspiring black rhinoceros, a powerful symbol of the delicate balance of life in arid landscapes. These majestic herbivores are critically endangered, their numbers decimated by poaching and habitat loss. In Planet Zoo, you have the opportunity to create a haven for these magnificent creatures. Design a spacious habitat with a variety of browsing options, including acacia trees, shrubs, and grasses. Water sources and mud wallows are crucial for their well-being. By creating a thriving habitat for the black rhinoceros, you're participating in a global effort to raise awareness for their plight.
Our exploration takes us now to the heart of the desert, where we encounter the elusive sand cat, a master of camouflage and nocturnal survival. These pint-sized felines are perfectly adapted to their harsh environment, with thick fur on their paws to protect them from the scorching sand. Provide them with a dimly lit habitat with plenty of sand for digging and burying their prey. Enrichment items like scent trails and climbing structures will tap into their natural instincts. By replicating their natural environment, you can witness the sand cat's incredible adaptations firsthand.
Our journey now takes a more cautious turn as we encounter the desert horned viper, a master of camouflage. Their horns help to channel sand over their bodies as they lie in wait, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Creating a safe and stimulating terrarium for these venomous beauties is paramount. A thick layer of sand mimicking their natural substrate is essential for burrowing. Creating a habitat for the desert horned viper provides a unique opportunity to appreciate the delicate balance between beauty and danger.
We venture deeper into the undergrowth, where camouflage reaches its peak with the gaboon viper, a master of disguise. Their intricate patterns, resembling fallen leaves, render them practically invisible to unsuspecting prey. Replicating their rainforest floor habitat in Planet Zoo is crucial. A thick layer of leaf litter, fallen branches, and dense foliage provides ample hiding spots. Creating a thriving habitat for the gaboon viper allows you to witness their incredible adaptations firsthand. Our final encounter brings us to the grasslands of North America, where the black-footed ferret, once on the brink of extinction, makes a remarkable comeback. These charismatic creatures are highly specialized predators, relying almost entirely on prairie dogs for food and their burrows for shelter. In Planet Zoo, creating a complex network of burrows is essential for their well-being. Provide them with a spacious grassland habitat with ample loose soil for digging. Creating a thriving habitat for the black-footed ferret allows you to contribute to the conservation of this remarkable species.
As we've journeyed through the diverse landscapes of the Arid Animal Pack, we've witnessed the incredible adaptations of these creatures. By focusing on creating realistic environments that mimic their natural habitats, we can provide these animals with the best possible care in our zoos. For the desert horned viper, a thick layer of sand and sparse vegetation will encourage their natural behaviors. By understanding the specific needs of each animal, we can create enriching and stimulating environments that contribute to their well-being and inspire generations to come.